welcome everyone. Today we will practice an important questions from chapter electricity, and these questions have already come in the previous board exams. So please keep attention and let's start. So the first question goes like this. Two lamps rated 100 watt 220 volt and 10 watt 220 volt are connected in parallel to a supply of 220 volt. Calculate the total current through the circuit. So the question is asking that we have to find the total current इन अ सर्किट जहां पे दो बल्ब हैं जिसका पावर दिया 100 वोल्ट 220 वोल्ट वोल्टेज एंड 10 वोल्ट एंड 220 वोल्ट 220 volt potential difference. They are connected in a parallel. They are connected in parallel to 220 volt supply. So what we have to find the total current. Okay. So teachers क्या कहता है long process में we know that power is voltage into current, right? We have to find I, total current. Now remember, whenever something is connected in parallel, the power gets add up. Okay, hence the current can be found as the power क्या होता है add हो जाता है. तो we know we can find total current. How? तो हम total current कैसे निकालेंगे? Total power. This is a simple trick to find out total power and total voltage, right? When the bulbs are connected in parallel, okay, and the voltage given supply is given as 220 volt. So here we can find total current. How? Total power by total voltage. So for total power, since it is connected in parallel, so the total power get add up. That is, we take one P1 plus P2, that is 100 watt plus 10 watt, that is equals to 110 watt, right? And what is total voltage? Equals to 220 volt, right? It is connected to the supply of 220 volt. Therefore, how can we find total current? This is a simple trick. You don't need to find individual currents and that get add. You can find by total power by total current, that is 110 watt by 220 volt, that is equals to 0.5 ampere, right? 0.5 ampere. ओके, सो इस इजी तरीके से ये जो क्वेश्चन है सीबीएसई 2020 पे आया था पहले भी, सो इस इजीएस्ट फॉर्मूला से आप आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. यू कैन आल्सो गो with the long process that we have to find current for first bulb, then current for second bulb, then add up. No, we can clearly find out total power P1 plus P2 and the voltage is given and we will find the total current. Okay, ये तो short तरीका था और आप इसमें आराम से कोई नंबर नहीं कटेंगे, आराम से you can find the solution. Okay, so let's move to the second question. So the second question is the maximum resistance which can be made using 4 resistors, each of resistance half ohm, is 2 ohm, 1 ohm, 2.5 or 8 ohm. मतलब the question is asked that the maximum resistance कितना using 4 resistors, हर एक का रेजिस्टेंस कितना है हाफ ओम. तो मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस हम 4 रेजिस्टर को यूज करेंगे जिसका एक का रेजिस्टेंस है हाफ ओम, तो मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो सकता है? And the options are given. This question was previously asked in CBSE 2021. So let's pay attention. Always remember a concept that whenever resistance सीरीज में अगर लगे होते हैं, अगर रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज में लगे होते हैं, that is equals to हम how we will find the total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3 like this. And if it is parallel, so we know that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. How much resistance has been asked? So here always remember, whenever maximum resistance is been asked, always remember whenever the resistance are connected in series, it will give you net or maximum resistance. Okay, तो maximum resistance किस में आएगा? जब भी जब कॉन्सेप्चुअल थिंग है ये कि मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस तभी प्रोवाइड करेगा एक सर्किट जब सीरीज में सर्किट्स लगे हो. ओके, सीरीज में रेजिस्टर लगे हो, तो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू कितने हैं? जब हम सीरीज में निकाल लेंगे तो वी नो दैट वी जस्ट हैव टू ऐड अप. तो हाफ ओम प्लस हाफ ओम प्लस हाफ ओम एंड प्लस हाफ ओम, 4 रेजिस्टेंस आर देयर. So the answer is 2 ohm. Clear? Easy? So which option goes? Option A. So this type of question totally based on concept and बार बार ये questions आते रहते हैं. So you have to practice such questions. You have to practice long questions, numerical based. All these questions are MCQ based. All these questions are all conceptualized. So please keep revising your concepts very clearly. Okay. So we will meet up in next videos for more such questions which are previously asked in board exams, and we will solve more such questions. Okay. Thank you and thanks for watching our channel, and don't forget to subscribe Home of Tuitions.